love Costa del Sol so much because every location, every community is so different and unique. But for those who love nature surrounded by pine trees, I will show you new development perfect for second home. But first, let's see the location. In this new development you will get sea view, social rooms, gym, spa, swimming pool and many other exclusive features. For friendly consultation about available properties, prices, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you like my video.